Hi guys, how's it going? I'm super excited. It's night. I just finished my art classes and I have this massive Temu haul. I'm so excited that the folks from Temu sent me all of this cool stuff. They gave me like an amount or a limit, and I could pick anything I want, so I have tons of really cool stuff to show you. So if you want to see what all is in this, stick around. All right guys, so I keep having to bend down because my camera's not up high enough. I just wanted to do it down here. It's kind of a mess. My house is a mess. I haven't had a lot of time. Lately I've been helping take care of my mom and also Drew. But anyway guys, let's go ahead and dig into this Temu haul. I don't even remember what all I picked, but I'm super excited to open this up and share it with you. Okay, so I put my tripod on top of something so I don't have to bend down so much. Okay guys, I am really excited. Okay, so last week I actually got my very first Temu order in that I actually ordered, and I got some baby stuff for Drew. And what else did I get? Oh, some art supplies, things like that. But that was stuff that I ordered myself. This is everything in this package Temu sent me. So I'm here to share it with you. I'm excited. So let's open it up and see what all's in here. There's all kinds of things in here. And I'm excited because it's kind of addictive. It really is. You want to come in here and see what I got, Keith? No. He's not even interested, not even in the least. But anyway, guys, you can find some really cool things on there. And it comes pretty fast, so that's really good. Okay, so the first thing I got is this. Let's just open it up, see what it is. Because I honestly do not remember. I don't remember what I chose. All right. Like I said, this is kind of addictive. It's exciting. All right, guys, so the first item that I chose were these little smiley face house shoes. And I just got lots of random stuff for the holidays. Not sure how I'll use them, probably for door prizes. We play lots of games here at Christmas, and we do door prizes and Dirty Santa, things like that. So anyway, I got these little smiley face house shoes. So that's cute. Then, oh, I like this one. Okay, so this one I got for Drew. And they have lots of baby stuff on there. I mean, they have lots of everything on there, but yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, this is like a sensory toy, like a little book. So you open it up and there's like all kinds of stuff on there. So like a little clock, tying shoes, and oh my gosh. So this is cute. So he could use this later too. Little clothes, snaps, things like that. So I got this little sensory toy. So I got that. Put it over here. All right, cool. All right, now, it's like Christmas. You guys, on Christmas, I saw something on TV. They were saying, do you realize there are 10 Fridays until Christmas Eve? I'm like, no. Okay, so the next thing I got was night vision binoculars. Rad. Okay, so this would be a great Dirty Santa gift or prize. And that's why I ordered so many different type of things, because I think that it'll be a lot of fun. Okay, so this is a rechargeable callus remover. I need to keep this for myself, you guys. I've got some alligator feet. But anyway, we'll see how well this works. All right. Somebody was saying there's a channel And this girl does all Temu hauls. That's like her entire channel is literally Temu hauls. Temu is like the next best thing since sliced bread, I think, because with Jackie, she's a big Temuer. Aren't you, girl? All right, let's see what this is. I do not know. It's wrapped up. Let's open this up. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so yeah, I try to get stuff for men too. So it's like a 46-piece tool set. That's cool. That's a good Dirty Santa gift. Not only do we play Dirty Santa here, but Keith's Company, they do a Dirty Santa. So we might use it for that. Just random stuff, you guys. Oh, okay. Now this is a USB colorful humidifier. See that? Cool. I don't know why I got two, but I did. And that'd be a good Christmas gift. You guys, you cannot go wrong with Temu. So, you know, if you have a lot of people on your Christmas list, most of it's probably a hit. You might get a miss every now and then, but I think it's a good, affordable way, especially if you have a lot of parties to go to, Dirty Santa and stuff like that. So these are some pretty good gifts. All right, what is in here? It's a big box. So it's pretty late, you guys. It's already 9 o'clock. I've been teaching art all day and pretty tired. All right, so this is a humidifying fan. Why did I pick these things? I don't know. I just went on there and just checked off some stuff because they had like, you were supposed to get things from different categories, and that's what I tried to do. And I had like a budget that they gave me, and I really appreciate the fine folks at Temu for this opportunity. Thank you so much for inviting me to work with you. And yeah, so this is wrapped up in some bubble wrap. Oh, let me pull it out. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna keep this box. So it's a humidifier fan. And here's the plug-in. I don't really know what it's for. What is this for? Anyway. Exciting stuff, right? You never know what might happen here on this channel. Okay. That's a good Dirty Santa gift. All right, I'll put some of it over here. Running out of room. Here's another big box. Okay, that's the last box. So now we have this, and let's open it up. And then I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I ordered from Temu that I paid for on my own. So let's see what's in here. Oh, yeah. This is great. I'm keeping this for myself, you guys. I love it. So I drink water all the time, and I used to just drink bottled water, but I feel like if you fill up something like this full of water and say, I'm drinking 3 of these today, and you make your mind up, then you will. So this is pretty cool. And I like stuff like this to take with me on car trips and things like that. You put a straw in there, the lid comes off. Yeah, like that. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. Okay, probably keep that one for myself. Not that I even need it. Nah, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just give it away. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Okay, guys. Vlogmas is coming up. I'm already starting to think about it. I'm doing it, you guys. It's been my 3rd full year. Can't get that back on. But anyway, that's a good gift. We'll put it back in the box. Thank you so much, Temu, for sending me all these fabulous items. They will go to good use. Anyway, guys, let me run and get the stuff that I ordered myself. All right, guys, so the first thing I got for Drew, and I thought this was cute, was just this little warm, fuzzy little bear, you know, with the little bear ears, little fuzzy jacket. And it looks to be pretty good quality. Very, very soft, just, you know, to keep him warm. I just love the little bear ears. And then I got him this. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love these colors. And then I also got this boggin. So just a couple little boggins, you guys. And then I got this. So this is one of those things that you put on the baby. It's adjustable. It's supposed to be. Anyway, I'm not gonna put it on my big head. But anyway, you put it on the baby like that, and when you wash their hair, you don't get it in their eyes or ears. So, got that. And then there's other things outside in my pool house studio. I got lots of art supplies, like markers, acrylic markers, metallic markers. I got some paint brushes. I got erasers. I mean, lots of stuff. And then the other thing I got for Drew was this. You guys are gonna crack up. When I opened up the box, I was like, what the heck did I order? I couldn't remember, okay? You see this? You guys, it's a baby booger picker. It is. It's got like this little, see that? So sometimes you have to, you know. Sometimes you have to scrape out the boogies. So I got him that, and I got one to stay here. But anyway, most of the stuff that I ordered, it was art supplies that I used during my classes. So yeah, you guys, that's my Temu haul. And yeah, thank you so much, Temu, for sending me all these wonderful gifts, and they will go to good use. All right, guys, so this is my bag of the week. I've carried it all week. Oh, Candy style, I love it. It is Candy's fault, you guys. My very first camera bag ever, and I changed this, okay? Look what I did, and I like it so much better. Okay, so instead of just dangling right here, and we do love a good dangle here on YotaStyle, I just hit myself in the eye. Okay, I just put it here. Different people were coming on and commenting, telling me how to put it on there, and yeah, it's kind of a long, but when you're wearing it, it looks cuter. So I'm just gonna keep the strap. As long as it's not just moving up and down, I can handle it, because I do think it's cute. But anyway, you guys, this is a great bag, and I love it. So I have to do like a first impression on it, and I'm pretty behind on some things that I've wanted to do. But going out of town, getting COVID, taking care of my mom, taking care of Drew, I mean, teaching art classes, there's a lot, you guys. There's a lot going on, so. Oh, let me show you my little decorations in the kitchen. Like I said, I didn't really do that much this year. I'm not feeling it, but I do have a few decorations out, so, you know, it's all good. So let me show you what I have up here. All right, so I have these little wicker pumpkins, and my little Boo to You ghost, two little scarecrows, and my little soft pumpkin, and then this cute little squirrel that my sister got me, and then some more of the little wicker pumpkins. So that's what I did. And then, well, over here where all the booze is, I'm here for the booze. Of course you are. And then I have this cute little soap dispenser I got at the Dollar Tree, you guys. So really can't beat the Dollar Tree for really cute decorations and things like that. So, and of course I'm wearing my ghost earrings. I'm in the spirit of Halloween. Keith's gonna be leaving next week, going to Vegas. So I don't have any parties or anything planned. Somebody wants to invite me to a party, call me. Anyway, guys, that's really all I have for you today. Just this fabulous Temu haul, and yeah, just a quick short video. I'll be back in a couple of days, and I've got some catching up to do, so I need to do some first impressions on some of my newer bags. And then I have a really exciting video. I'm going to share with you all the luxury items that I purchased this year. Let you know, was it a yay or a nay? So yeah. Lots of stuff coming up, and then of course in November I've got my 2024 wish list coming up. I'm still working on it, so my wish list is quite long, but I'm trying to make it very doable. Like, I'm not going, you know, I'm not wanting a $40,000 Rolex or anything. I mean, it's like a doable wish list. You know, a few things that I'd like to add to my collection next year. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in another video on another day. Peace.